Shannon Thonise here. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. My name is Shannon Thonise. It's nice to have you here. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this rose pink glam makeup look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Please hit the like button and comment down below if you have any video ideas that you would like to suggest to me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and also hit that bell to turn on post notifications to get notified when I upload. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and hop right in with this makeup. I'm starting this tutorial with my brows done and my eyelids primed, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Soft Glam palette and my Luxie 111 brush. The shade that I'll be starting off with is Dusty Rose. Once I finish blending out the shade Dusty Rose, I'm going to take my Luxie 121 brush and use it to apply the shade Sienna. Once I've finished blending those two shades, I'm going to take my Luxie 131 brush and use it to apply the shade Mulberry, and I'm going to focus it in my crease and the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to go back in with the shade Sienna and I'm going to blend it onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to take my Luxie 245 brush and use it to apply the shade Rose Pink all over my eyelid. I did go ahead and wet this brush to make the color pop more. I'm going to repeat the same step on my other eye and take the shade Rose Pink and apply it all over my other eyelid. I'm going to go back in with the shade Sienna and I'm going to use it to blend out the edge of that rose pink color. I'm going to take my Luxie 141 brush and use it to apply the shade Sienna, the shade Mulberry, and apply it underneath my lower lash line. Take the shade Cypress Umber and focus it in the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to take my Luxie 141 mini round brush and use it to highlight the inner corner of my eye using the shade Tempera. I'm going to apply mascara using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. First primer that I'm using is Revlon Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. Once I finish evenly applying this primer, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Milani Prime Shield Face Primer and I'm going to apply that to my face as well. So this is going to be a first impressions as well for this foundation by Cover FX Free. So I love all free everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. The shade that I picked up is in, and I also got in 70. I'm gonna take both of them out and I'm gonna see how it looks. In 100, in 70, 70. Once I finish evenly applying my foundation, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the shade Medium and use it to highlight and contour my face. The shades that I'm using to highlight are Cream and Cinnamon. I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon and Chocolate to contour. First, I'm going to contour my nose. Next, I'm going to contour my cheeks to lift my cheekbones and around my jaw and on my forehead. I'm going to take my Real Techniques RT200 Expert Face Brush and blend my contour and highlight. I'm going to take my Maybelline FitMe Matte+Poreless powder in the shade 330 and use it to set my foundation in place. I'm going to use my Maybelline FitMe Loose Finishing Powder and my Luxie 512 brush to bake my face. I'm going to take my favorite contour brush that my sister gave me and my Maybelline FitMe pressed powder to set my contour. I'm going to take my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow and I'm going to use it to bronze my face. For blush, I'm using the shade Sienna from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm using Glistening as my highlight. I'm using the Bodyography lip pencil in the shade Heatherberry to line my lips. The first lipstick that I'm going to be using is this NYX Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Whipped Caviar. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shades Ruffle Trim and Teddy. I'm going to be using the Appeal Cosmetics Posh Holographic Lip Gloss over my lipstick. This completes my Rose Pink Glam makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you like it.